Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best white elephant gifts under 20 that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Mini Bowling White Elephant Gift by ZFFIO. This tiny wooden bowling set is a great budget option at just $5.99. Making it one of the most affordable picks on our list. Its charming design features natural wood construction that's smooth, splinter-free, and safe for all ages. Whether you're looking for a fun distraction from screens or a quirky desk toy, this set delivers entertainment and relaxation for kids, adults, and even seniors. The mini bowling set is easy to set up and play. Simply arrange the pins, position the ramp, and roll the ball to see how many pins you can knock down. It's compact and lightweight, making it perfect for tabletop use at home or in the office. With its colorful Santa-themed gift packaging, it's an ideal stocking stuffer for Christmas or any occasion. However, the small size might limit its appeal for some users who prefer more engaging or long-lasting games. Pros include its low price, sturdy wooden build, and universal appeal across all age groups. On the downside, it may not have the durability for heavy usage, and the novelty factor wears off quickly for some. Overall, this is a delightful little gift that's perfect for someone who appreciates simple, lighthearted fun. Coming in at number 4 is the Toilet Game Mini Golf by Hoxian. A hilarious gag gift that's sure to be a hit at any white elephant party. Priced at $7.99, this gift includes everything you need to play golf while, well, sitting on the throne. The set comes with a putting green mat, 2 golf balls, a putter, a golf hole with a flag, and even a door hanger to let everyone know you're busy practicing your swing. The design is simple yet functional, and the materials, while not premium, are adequate for light use. It's perfect for golf enthusiasts or anyone who appreciates a good laugh. The setup is quick and easy, and the game itself provides a fun way to pass time in the bathroom. While it's obviously not meant for serious golfing, it's a quirky gift that's bound to generate some chuckles. Pros include its unique concept, affordable price, and complete set of accessories. On the downside, the quality isn't top-notch, and its appeal is mostly limited to novelty rather than practicality. If you're shopping for someone who enjoys quirky humor or golf, this is an excellent choice. At number 3, we have the Genuine Fred Pizza Boss 3000, a pizza cutter that's shaped like a circular saw. Priced at $14.98, this kitchen gadget is both fun and functional, making it a great gift for pizza lovers and DIY enthusiasts. The laser-edged stainless steel blade is food-safe and effective at slicing through even the thickest crusts. The engineering-grade plastic handle is sturdy and designed to resemble a carpenter's tool, adding a unique touch to your kitchenware. The removable shield makes cleaning a breeze, though it's recommended to hand wash for optimal longevity. The Pizza Boss 3000 comes in colorful packaging, making it ideal for gift-giving occasions like housewarmings or birthdays. While it's undeniably fun, the design prioritizes aesthetics over ergonomics, and it might not be the most comfortable pizza cutter for extended use. Pros include its quirky design, solid blade performance, and gift-ready packaging. On the downside, the handle may feel bulky for some users, and the price is slightly higher than other novelty kitchen gadgets. Overall, this is a fantastic gift for anyone who loves pizza or appreciates unique kitchen tools. At number 2, we have the Shower Steamers Aromatherapy Set by SW Candy, a self-care gift that's perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. Priced at $7.96, this set includes 8 shower steamers infused with natural essential oils like lavender, rosemary, mint, and eucalyptus. Designed to create a spa-like experience at home, these steamers release soothing scents that help ease stress and fatigue during your daily shower routine. The updated formula for long-lasting fragrance ensures that each tablet delivers a potent aromatherapy experience. With a cruelty-free, vegan, and non-toxic composition, these steamers are perfect for eco-conscious consumers. They're versatile enough to be used in the shower, car, or even your bedroom, making them a great option for anyone who needs a little relaxation on the go. However, the scent might be too mild for users who prefer stronger fragrances. Pros include the affordable price point, natural ingredients, and variety of scents. Cons include the potential for scent preferences to vary and the need for a hot shower to activate the steamers. This gift is ideal for anyone who loves self-care and aromatherapy. Finally, at number 1, we have the portable Bluetooth speaker with lights by Chiffinchi. This premium white elephant gift is priced at $19.97 and offers a perfect blend of functionality and fun. With a compact design measuring just under 3 inches wide and 4.25 inches tall, this speaker is ultra-portable and lightweight, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. It delivers powerful 15-watt sound with a peak output of 20 watts and features punchy bass and crisp highs for an immersive listening experience. The dynamic LED lights sync to the beat of your music, adding a visual element to your audio enjoyment. With IPX5 waterproofing, this speaker is perfect for poolside parties, hiking trips, or even the shower. The battery life offers up to 15 hours of playtime on a single charge, and advanced Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a fast and stable connection. You can also pair 2 speakers for 360-degree stereo sound, making it versatile for larger spaces or gatherings. While it's the most expensive gift on our list, the features and performance make it well worth the price. Pros include its impressive sound quality, waterproof design, and beat-synced LED lights. Cons include the higher price and the limited color options. If you're looking for a high-quality gift that combines practicality and entertainment, this speaker is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.